Amazing animal facts. The pangolin, the armored enigma of the wild. The pangolin is one of the most extraordinary and misunderstood animals on Earth. Often described as a living relic of ancient times, this shy, nocturnal mammal stands apart from nearly all other creatures due to its unique appearance, behavior, and evolutionary history. Covered from head to tail in overlapping protective scales, the pangolin looks almost mythical, like a creature pulled from folklore rather than modern forests. Yet it is very real, and its survival story is both fascinating and deeply concerning. Found across parts of Africa and Asia, pangolins inhabit forests, savannas, and grasslands, where they quietly play a crucial ecological role. Despite their importance, they remain largely unknown to the public, and tragically, they are now among the most threatened mammals in the world. A body like no other. Physical characteristics. The pangolin's most striking feature is its armor-like scales. These hard, overlapping plates are made of keratin, the same substance found in human fingernails and hair. Unlike reptiles, pangolins are mammals, and their scales are not part of their skeleton but grow continuously throughout their lives. When threatened, a pangolin curls into a tight ball, tucking its soft underbelly inward and presenting only its tough scales to predators. This defense is remarkably effective against natural enemies such as lions or leopards. The edges of the scales are sharp, and the pangolin's strong tail can be used as an additional weapon. Beneath this armor lies a surprisingly soft-bodied animal. Pangolins have elongated snouts, tiny eyes, and small ears, reflecting their reliance on smell rather than sight. Their limbs are strong, equipped with long, curved claws used for digging into termite mounds and ant nests. Habitat and geographic range. Pangolins are found across a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests and woodlands to grasslands and agricultural edges. African pangolins and Asian pangolins occupy different regions, but all species require environments rich in ants and termites. Some species are ground-dwelling, spending much of their lives burrowing underground, while others are adept climbers, using their powerful tails and claws to navigate trees. Regardless of habitat, pangolins are solitary animals, preferring to roam large territories alone under the cover of darkness. Diet and specialized feeding. Pangolins are highly specialized insectivores, feeding almost exclusively on ants and termites. They do not have teeth. Instead, they rely on a long, sticky tongue that can extend longer than their own body. This tongue is anchored deep inside the chest cavity, an unusual anatomical feature that allows rapid extension and retraction. When feeding, a pangolin tears open insect nests with its claws and inserts its tongue, lapping up thousands of insects in minutes. Their stomachs are specially adapted, using swallowed pebbles and muscular contractions to grind food, functioning much like a bird's gizzard. By consuming massive numbers of ants and termites, pangolins help regulate insect populations and protect vegetation and soil structure. Their role is subtle but essential to ecosystem balance. Behavior and lifestyle. Pangolins are primarily nocturnal, emerging at night to forage. During the day, they rest in burrows, hollow logs, or dense vegetation. They move slowly and deliberately, conserving energy and relying on camouflage and stillness to avoid detection. Despite their gentle nature, pangolins are surprisingly strong. Their claws can tear through hardened termite mounds, and their grip allows them to climb trees with ease. When threatened, they rarely attack. Instead, they rely on defense and withdrawal, curling into their iconic armored ball. Reproduction and life cycle. Very little is known about pangolin reproduction due to their elusive nature. Females typically give birth to a single offspring after a long gestation period. The baby pangolin is born with soft, pale scales that harden within days. Young pangolins ride on their mother's tail or back for protection as she forages. This strong maternal bond is crucial for survival, as juvenile pangolins are vulnerable to predators and environmental threats. Pangolins grow slowly and have relatively low reproductive rates, which makes population recovery extremely difficult once numbers decline. Evolutionary history and uniqueness. Pangolins have no close living relatives. They belong to their own order of mammals, making them evolutionarily unique. Fossil evidence suggests that pangolin-like creatures existed millions of years ago, and their specialized form has remained largely unchanged, a testament to how well suited they are to their ecological niche. This evolutionary isolation also means that losing pangolins would erase an entire branch of the mammalian family tree. Cultural significance and human interaction. In various cultures, pangolins have been associated with symbolism ranging from protection and strength to mystery and healing. Unfortunately, myths and misconceptions have also fueled their exploitation. Despite having no proven medicinal value, pangolin scales have been used in traditional remedies, leading to widespread illegal hunting. Combined with habitat loss, this demand has devastated wild populations. Conservation status and threats. Pangolins are currently considered the most trafficked mammals in the world. All species face serious threats from illegal wildlife trade, deforestation, and human expansion. Because pangolins reproduce slowly and are difficult to breed in captivity, population losses are especially devastating. Conservation efforts now focus on stronger law enforcement, habitat protection, rescue and rehabilitation, and global awareness campaigns. Protecting pangolins also means protecting forests, soil health, and countless other species that share their environment. Why pangolins matter. The pangolin is not just a curiosity, it is a vital component of the ecosystems it inhabits. Its quiet work beneath the forest floor helps maintain balance in ways that are rarely noticed but deeply important. Saving pangolins is about more than preserving a single species. It is about recognizing the value of every living being, no matter how hidden or misunderstood. Conclusion. The silent survivor. The pangolin is a symbol of nature's ingenuity, an armored mammal that survives not through aggression, but through patience, specialization, and resilience. Its story is both inspiring and urgent. As one of the world's most endangered mammals, the pangolin reminds us that the greatest threats to wildlife often come not from nature, but from human ignorance and exploitation. By learning about pangolins and sharing their story, we take an important step toward ensuring that this ancient, gentle creature continues to walk the earth for generations to come. If you enjoyed this extensive and eye-opening exploration of the pangolin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Wild Wonders, for more deep and fascinating stories about extraordinary animals from around the world. Now we'd love to hear from you. What is the pangolin called in your own language? Share your answer in the comments and let's celebrate wildlife and linguistic diversity together.